What's up, guys? This is Will H of Will H Gadgets and More, back with another video. So today I'm going to be taking a look at the Moondrop CHU High Performance Dynamic Drive IEM'S in-ear earphones. Now I picked these up off of Amazon.com. I got the one with the microphone. It was $21.99, but you also can pick this up without the microphone for $19.99. Now, I picked these up off the recommendations of a couple of audiophile YouTubers out there, El Jefe and Digital Slang, and I'll try and link their channel links down below. I'm not an audiophile, but I was looking for another pair of in-ear monitors, and they recommended this pair, so I ordered it. Now, it took about 3 weeks for this to get in. I do have another set of IEM'S. These are by the company Basin, right there. And I've had these for quite a while. These have the detachable cable here that you can take off. You can unplug here just like that. Now these, I don't really care for the fit of these in my ear. They're kind of like a cylinder. So I was looking for something a little bit that may be a little bit more comfortable. These came with 2 cables, and these are pretty nice. They're airplane adapter and all of that. I did a video about these a long time ago. You can find these on Amazon. But anyway, to get back to these were very well. These came highly recommended by those 2 YouTubers there, content creators. Let's go ahead and get into the packaging here. And so I decided to pick these up for that price. You can't go wrong, but I doubt if they're going to be bad, because both of those guys said these are very nice for the price. So I've never had the Moondrops before, and so I'm pretty excited about it. So here's the packaging. Guys, see, it says down here, CHU High Performance Dynamic Driver in-ear monitors with mic. And then you're going to get some of your specs here. On the back, you guys may know what all that means. Like I said, I'm not an audiophile, but I'll let you guys pause that and read it. Or you can go over and check out those 2 reviews. So let's get into the packaging here and see what we got. Now, I know these have a metal body, and these come with the spring tips, which are supposed to be pretty good set of tips to go on the end. So you're going to get a carrying case here to drop them in. Nothing fancy about that. And you get the earbuds itself here. All right, let's get that out. And what else do we have here? Let's see what else we have. So I'm assuming these are the tips. Now these are the spring tips, and these are your ear, to fit these to your ear. Kind of like some little clips here. Let's take a look at them. These will help hold these on in your ear, the little clips that you get. Let's get them out. So this is what they look like. You attach these to the cable, and these will help to help them stay in your ear. So we'll put that to the side. And then we have these different tips here. You guys see, now these are the spring tips. Now, from what I've read and heard, that these cost just as much as what I paid for the whole set here. So that's a pretty good deal. And then you're going to have your paperwork and instructions and stuff in here as well. So we're going to put all this to the side here. So here are the earbuds here. So we'll take a look at this end. You see you got your plug in there. You do have a splitter here. This looks to be maybe about 5 feet long. You do have a cable management strap here that does have their name on it. That's a pretty nice touch there. It's kind of like Velcro, so you can take it, comes off completely, as you guys see. You do have a splitter here going up. Here's your microphone and volume control there. Now the cable is not as quality as we saw on the basins that I had there. Now these they feel substantial here. So these are some kind of alloy material. They got this nice design on them there. Going around them, they are marked left and right. Right there, you're gonna have a couple of microphones here. Where did I see those at? Right there, you got a couple of mics right there. And yeah, man, so we're gonna try these out. See how well they fit in my ears. So with the tips, I'm gonna probably have to use the smaller tips. With these, my ears are kind of small. These look like small, medium, and large. So the small ones are going to be best for my ear. Let's take a look at one of these, a couple of these. So here are the tips. You guys see, these look like the large maybe. Feel very soft. Let's get the rest of them out here. Check them out. And these two are being stubborn, of course. They will do me like that on camera. But anyway, guys, these have the black on the inside of them. Let's see if I can get at least one out. They are sticking to the bag. All right, so here it is. This is what it looks like. Has the black on the inside. I'm going to be using a small one. And then the case, of course, we looked at that already. So I'm going to put the tips on these, try them out, and I'll come back and give you my non-audiophile opinion. All right, guys, we are back in. This is 24 hours later with the Moondrop CHUs. And I have to say I'm very impressed with these. I use these with the smaller ear tips and was able to seal off just about all outside noise, and that made for a pleasant experience. I also plugged these into this sync wire adapter here. It's a 3.5 to a Type-C. This is how I was able to connect to various devices. Now this does have a DAC in it, so that was part of the experience as well. I'll drop a link for this adapter right here in the description below. But I had a great seal, and these were very comfortable in the ear. Much more comfortable than the basins that I've been using before. And I have to use these smaller tips, and they were very comfortable as well. Using these with the control right here was great. Talking on phone calls, adjusting the volume and stuff like that was great. Now, as far as phone calls, people could hear me very well. I could hear them. And I asked a few people that could they tell that I was using some in-ear monitors, and they said they really couldn't tell. It was just great sound, and I could hear them very well also. Now, I did also watch a movie or two on Netflix, and the sound was incredible. Also for YouTube, and I listened at a wide variety or wide genre of music, and I have to say that as far as the sound quality with these, I'm going to say that it's a clean sound. And I guess what I mean by that is you don't get overpowered by the mids, the highs, or the lows. You get a good mixture of all of them. I guess if you were going to EQ it, you could get a little bit better. But with my basses, they give me a whole lot more bass. But the bass on this is good and clean. It's rich. The mids and highs are as well. You don't get overpowered by one thing. So I think these are great, man. I enjoy using them. I'm glad I picked them up, especially for the price that you can get them for now. And they come with these different size of ear tips, and you should be able to find something that will work for you. But like I said, I'm not an audiophile, but this is just my experience with these, and it was great, man. I'm glad I picked them up. And like I said, I use these for a little bit of gaming as well, and they sound incredible. So I definitely would drop the link in the description from where I got them from. But these are the Moondrop CHU in-ear monitors. I'm Will H. This is Will H. Gadgets and More. I'm out.